So I am jumping in. We are, what is this? 1 hour. 1, 2, 3. I'm noticing that as we're ending Friday, we're seeing some decent sell-offs. Like, I knew it. That's why I made the video, guys. If you guys watched it, appreciate it a lot. I know that you hate it when I say 48 hours, but I knew that this 2022 or 2.22 is not to trust. And there's a chance we're going to be seeing our friend $2 pretty quickly. If that's the case, that's going to be fine. Like, we already are heading for April the 2nd. Let everybody know that we're here, guys. Welcome back. How we're doing. I know that, we don't know the future, right? But whoever is down to listen and to see what's popping, we're putting a double bottom so far, but it doesn't mean that we're gonna stop dropping right there and keep going higher. I don't think so. It just kind of means like, okay, there's just another retest at the 215 that we had at 11 a.m. right here. So guys, if you are crazy for prices and crazy for the latest of what's going on here in crypto, then this is the place to be. What's up? What's up? Welcome. Glad to see a lot of people jumping in, coming in here. Yo, Riverside in the house. Jam says, can't wait for 40, 50 cents. Whoa. Question for the poll. I got one. Will XRP, I got the perfect question, go under $2? What do you think? Yes or no? Buy. Wait a second. There you go. Under $2 by Monday. I think by Monday should be good. Now you're going to be responsible for the predictions, right? So-called predictions that I like to make, but it comes to show that nobody knows really. Now we'll see what happens. Imagine if we don't go under, $2. That will be surprising, I think. That will be a little bit surprising. XRP last all-time high was 2018. Think again, people. What's up, River? Let's go like these dips. Guys, The Rock and I, we welcome you to the channel. What's up? We got a couple of links in the description. We're barely starting, guys. We'd like to see more people jumping in. Looking at the 215 right now, and I'm looking at my ticker right there on top, and I see BTC at 83,000 bucks. 83,000 right now. Look at this. Once again, we're seeing, guys, this momentum going down. Theora Kronos from the 10 cents not coming down. Jasmine also coming down. Stellar also coming down, right? So, oh, would you take a look at that? Like when I saw that we were at, 215 early today, I'm like, I'm not even gonna worry about it. I'm just like gonna relax and chill. And I saw the price going higher, and I'm like, dude, that is the easiest playbook. That's the easiest. Oh, yes. We're gonna see some blood on the streets. Are you so ready, guys? Oh, we're seeing those red candles. That's what I'm here for. Who is ready and happy, man? Oh, yes, here we come. Somebody wants to see blood. Somebody wants to see blood tonight. And we are watching it live, guys. Smash the like button, guys, and consider subscribing to the channel. Welcome to the panel. Well, we just got a lower price here over the last couple of days, but today, if I scroll all the way, you will see right there how the price is back March 12th. March 12th. See that? That's a big, fat, long line. March 12th. See that? Don't you know, dump it up. You got to dump it up. And don't you know, dump it up. See the blood on the streets, guys. The next line of support is $2, guys. We don't have anything. We don't have anything at from right now to 2. There's nothing. So it is somewhat common sense that we're going to be heading to the $2 mark or close to the $2 mark. That is somewhat evident common sense just because there's no support level. 2 big bombs. What's up, buddy? Welcome back. The Night of the Vampire. Nice. Yep. Let's do... I'm gonna do something here. BTCC. I want to do something here. 230. Yeah, we're coming down, baby. Blood, more pain on the streets, guys. Solid. Oh, yes, there it is. Let's do this. Let's do... I'm going to do XRP. There it is. I have a little bit. Yep. Let's do cross. And let's do short. Let's do that. Let's do 50. Let's do 75. And if I do this, what is going to be my liquidation? 217. This is 215. 17. 222. Okay. Oh. Good stuff. Hey, Giovanni, what's up, buddy? Happy to see you and welcome. So, my people, don't panic. 100%, man, 100%. Don't panic here, guys. Only trading, only buying the dip. That's what a lot of people are doing right now. 100%. There it is. There it is. I gotta tell you something, guys. If you're watching this right now, you're top G. Why? Because nobody's watching when it's dropping. You know, everybody's scared. We're not scared here, guys, even though we have a little bit more pain. We're chilling and relaxing and, you know, understanding that that's how it is. That's how it happens sometimes. $2. It's okay. I do have some cash on the side ready for $2 XRP. Don't mind at all. Don't mind at all. We've seen much worse. 100%, man. What's up, Steven? Just at 100 tokens. Let's go, man. That's nice. I'm shorting Fartcoin and XRP. Got it. I'm going to be honest with you guys. This is scary. Last time I saw something like this was with AMC, the great squeeze, and I don't know what I'm looking at. What happened got listed. So it's going to be fine. My crash party incognito. You know it, bro. Got a little crash party right here. We'll see if, you know, things can go the way we expect. And if they are going the way we expect, you know, I see a lot of people are going to be making some pretty nice money. Nice. We got 1,000 people jumping in here. Make sure you guys vote in the poll that we have right there open for you. And let's see if we're actually going to head lower. You're going to see that now for XRP at 213 right now. And I have open X on one of my other panels right here to see, you know, what people are are thinking about, because there's obviously going to be a bunch of comments. People are basically saying it's over, when in reality, you know, it's not over. It's just that it's what happens with a market that we're approaching a very big day next week, and right now it's kind of like the time to start liquidating a lot of people, especially the longs, right? They want to start liquidating everybody right now. But earlier today, I told you guys earlier today, I told you, literally made a video. I've been making a few videos, you know, how things are changing, and it was, I believe, Wednesday when I made the video, you know, about a message that things are not going the best way we have, the best way we want, but we still got to stick up and continue. There was like a 240, 235 XRP. Now we are at 214. And usually when we're at these levels, what happens next is that big drop. That big drop is taking us under $2 XRP over the last couple of drops. And then right after, once we go under 2 and we find some type of bottom at around, you know, 180, 190. Once it's 190, then boom, up we go. Somebody says right here, Oscar, what? Open a what? Bye, buddy. Take it easy. What it says? Oscar, open a long. I gotta wait a little bit longer, bro, to open a long. It's too early for a long right now. Too early. Yes, indeed, brother. Yes, indeed. No worries, buddy. I already took care of mango. Bye, Manguito. Take it easy. I like mango, actually. It's a great fruit. I love it. People regret not buying the dip. Oh, brother, 100%. I'm just waiting for, I think, a price. I mean, we have Sunday coming in, and then we have next week. I better just wait. You know, till I buy something else. Oscar, what if nothing happens on April 2nd? You think the crypto market is over? Brandon, look at those nice pumps. Look at those nice pumps. Nice. Oscar, you shouldn't be drinking water. We gotta be drinking the blood on the streets. I know it was like a little late. You know, I was already wanting to jump in here in the live, and we're here. We're here, guys. Good morning, Gomez. Nice to have you, buddy. Welcome. So 150, you think is a realistic crash before the end of the bull run? That's silent, been happening nonsense. January the 1st. Gotta zoom out. Hey, Planets, good to see you, buddy. Welcome back. So right now, what's going on right here is that a lot of people, for those who are shorting right now, that pump is to delete the shorts. Delete the shorts. It's not that it just stopped dumping. It's just deleting shorts. And now once the shorts are deleted, come down again. Come down again. Because this is happening in a 5-minute interval. That's what's happening right here. Like a lot of people open 100Xs. When you do a 100X right here, shorts know it. And they're like, okay, let me not pump it, right? Once you pump it, you delete and you free up all that money. Plus, the market makers know it too. Market makers are always ready to make some good money, you know? Dangerous Dave in the house with the Australian Army. Love it, brother. That's nice. You got to pump it up, and don't you know? Pump it up. 100%, brothers and sisters. Very happy to have so many great people here joining us in the pain and the struggle. How many content creators just make videos and tell you what predictions are nonsense, right? But a few of them come and say hi to you guys. And I'm one of those. I just like to enjoy my community, right? Yeah, that's basically what it is. It's basically what it is. You know, guys, because you're very smart. People are very very smart, and those who think that people will never realize what you're doing are not thinking that our audiences have amazing brains. You're gonna lose everything, right? We were here once we saw $3 XRP, and we were here when we saw 177 XRP and then 260 XRP and all of that. So the goal right now is for us to say, well, what's next? And what's next is holding the line for whatever Donald J. Trump wants to do. And Donald J. Trump right now is solid and ready and steady for immigration, energy, tariffs, the economy, and much more. So I think he's not been in office for one full year, and he really, really wants to give it his all for the first 100 days. And he's pushing those tariffs right now, and that's what's bringing some of the pain. Makes sense. What's up, Jessina? Nice to have you. Welcome. Take a look at a few things right now. Okay. 9 hours ago, I just barely see this. I just barely see this. Let me show you this, guys, really quick. Right here. There you go. You can still see the charts. There you go. So President Trump says that he had a good talk with Canadian Prime Minister and expects things to work out between US and Canada. That's gonna be probably around the tariffs, of course. That's nice. These two guys, Elon Musk AI acquires X in all stock transactions, valuing both companies at $80 billion. Crazy. And this one is also pretty insane too, fam. I don't know if you saw it right here. Over $1.25 trillion, everybody, wiped out from the US market, stock market today. You see a lot of Nvidia, Google, Microsoft. Would you take a look at that, fam? It's a lot of money coming down. Oh, by the way, the Haktua girl is not going to get any punishment from what it seems, Only that nobody's going to trust her with anything anymore, right? But basically, I think she's off the hook. Would you rather see XRP grow or a knee grow? XRP. Your videos keep the emotions in check. Thanks, bro. What's up, Animal Lugo? Nice to have you, buddy. Welcome. Thanks so much for being here, buddy. Appreciate it. Thank you. Check that out, fam. We're looking at the 15 minutes right here. We have a 212. So that's been so far the lowest price right now for XRP. I don't think that's the lowest that we're going to get to. Could be wrong, of course. That's 212 for the price. I'm waiting for, some more blood. We got the 212, right? But it doesn't feel that, everyone is panicking. It's kind of like we need to get to that everyone panic and then mega flush. And then we start coming back up. As you notice, guys, we're looking for a bottom right here. This doesn't even look like a bottom, right? A bottom should be somewhere here. So I know we're heading in that direction. That's my take. That's personally my take. And I'm asking you right there. So I'm not the only one. It's like, oh, Oscar is all knowing. No, absolutely no, guys. I don't know much. I know a lot. I'm still learning so much. And right now, of course, we see the prices Diamond hands. 1 second short. No, bro. I mean, how about the 3-minute chart? I mean, because the closer and the faster the candle is, you can start smelling the next move, right? Obviously, I mean, I don't have the seconds because that's gonna be with the premium option. But I can give you the minute one. So that's the minute. Like we're looking at the minute candle, guys. Like when you look at this minute candle, you can clearly see where we're heading. Like at around, what was it, 10:08 and 10:10. That's when, you know, the two flash candles coming down, right? Coming downhill. Two. But you notice how for a few minutes, price, it's been coming to a point of pretty nice rejections. And that's the minute candle, actually, you know, from 537 all the way to 10. Kind of crazy to say that all of those are 1 minute, but yeah, that's true. You know what will be so much fun? It will be that we see another, you know, candle crash. That'll be amazing. Because we have two and then a nice reversal, right? Minute reversal, but it will top somewhere and then start coming down again. That's the way it works. That is the way it works. See if that happens. Stop crypto, Danny. Oh, yeah, 100% premium stuff. It's all right, bro. Oscar, what don't you talk about Shiba Inu anymore or Pepe? Glad I'm still holding those two. They're chilling, not performing that we're, you know, not really doing anything significant lately as far as price. Nothing is actually doing other than CRO earlier in the week and last week because, you know, because of the news, and XRP earlier this week and last week, right? So last week was pretty steady and nice with all the news about the SEC. But now, since we're approaching the tariffs, that's when, you know, we're expecting, you know, those major bloodbaths that will last for a while, and then, you know, all of a sudden it's all back in green and we're back, you know, rejoicing, and everybody's kind of happy and saying, okay, I'm glad that we bought the dip. That's exactly what the end goal looks like, right? Those who bought the dip are just going to enjoy everything and all those positions that you made when you buy the dip. And the dips are happening because of the reason. That's why it is. Why is it going down? What's up, right? It's going down because welcome to crypto. That's why it's going down. Reminder, 1 to 2 years from now, today will be forgotten time unless you dwell or not buying the dip. Ryan, like your motivation, you are 100% right. 100% right. Yep. I just stopped watching. I just want to hear you say everything is red. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Ooh. Look at those bloody candles, my friends. By the way, we're watching the 1 minute, okay? I almost never do this. Like watching the 1 minute, it's just scary, man. It's like for those who are trading. I don't watch the 1 minute, but just because it's us. Why not? Just because it's us. Hey, Steven, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, buddy. Welcome. Oscar Kramer in the house. You know it, brother. Oscar Kramer. It happens. Trump, worst thing to happen to crypto. Namaste. It's like, you know, oftentimes when you have medicine, right? Here's the deal. Before Trump, we were sick to death. Comes Trump, why? Well, because of Biden, Gensler, and all the roaches that were eating us for lunch. Trump comes in and it's applying medicine. What does medicine do for the human body? Well, when the medicine really works, right, I'm not talking about Advil or an aspirin, or I'm not talking about whatever over the counter thing that you can find. No, what does real medicine do to you guys? It hurts. It's a pain period where you have to stay calm and at a hospital and relax and just understand that things are going to be fine, right? But you have to wait a few hours, a few days, a few weeks if things actually work. So right now, for crypto, I mean, just today, the FDIC, right? The FDIC, allowing once again banks to deal with crypto companies. That's really nice. So it's awesome to see, guys, how the medicine in the Donald J. Trump form is going to be helping so many different crypto companies, right? Come back up. And crypto users as well. We like that. We want that. Your head stops hurting, but your lungs shut down. Meds are drugs. I got a question, Oscar. Why is it going down? Markets, wind turbo. What is it? Their job is to push prices down for institutionals. Oftentimes, it goes down and there's not much that we can do about it. So it happens. I got to tell you, I like the 1 minute. But it doesn't feel the same as the 5 minutes because I'm used to this, right? But the 1 minute. Imagine the 1 second. No way. I don't know how I will live with the 1 second. That 1 second is next level. You see, fam? Prices going higher now. That's what we like to see. Little by little. But it doesn't really mean that we're out of this mess. Doesn't mean that we're out of this mess, guys. Drop a like, fam. Subscribe to the channel and turn on those notification bells. Welcome to all my 1,200 people watching us here. I highly invite you. You're looking into trading, into positions, into doing something right, and making some money. Well, click the first link down below and sign up to BTCC and Bitunix. Really helps. You're looking into some positions, right? Always helps. If you sell your XRP, I'm just gonna buy it up. Fair warning. Warning accepted, buddy. Warning accepted. XRP is going to 150 lowest. Got it. I mean, 150. Everybody's saying, that we're going to 150, but in all reality, right? In all honesty, we might revisit, that 180 or 170, but it's not gonna be for a day, guys. It's not gonna be for 4 hours or 3. It could happen just for 2-3 minutes. It could be just for a few seconds, guys. That's what could happen. Honestly, that's what could happen right now. So that's what I'm saying. You just have to always stay put in everything and in all positions, guys. It's true. When things are meeting your expectations, you just have to go and say, okay, well, let's go in and buy the dip because they won't stay there for long. And right now, this one, 212 at around 222, and now it got rejected. Now this is a decent rejection, but look at how many percentage points. Barely 1. It looks like we probably like 5-6%. No, because we are in the 1 minute candle, right? So 1 minute candle That's the bottom in the Bollinger Bands. We come all the way to the top right here, which is good. Now, we had maybe 216, 217, and after that, we could probably continue going down. Once it continues going down, then that's probably not going to stop for a while, right? Because you take a look at this. Take a look at this. This is actually the first major pullback that we have seen for XRP. First major pullback since 1940, which is about 3 hours. Like, look at this. We have 216 to 222, 222 to 212, 212 to 216, 216 to. It should start dropping around right now. It should start dropping. That would make a lot of sense right now. Because look at this. You see that? We're approaching this level right here. We have met many, many times, which is at 216. Going back to 212, 222 or so wouldn't make much more sense to me. But like I said, it's pretty cool watching the 1 minute actually. When you're trading, when you're looking to open some new positions. Oscar, how highly do you think XRP can go this cycle? 10,000 OMG. Yeah, I think you've been watching those videos, right? Yeah. I mean, oftentimes I do talk about a few, I give you my thoughts on videos with mega projections with XRP. First thing I want to say is that nobody knows exactly where the price is going to be at, as anybody with a brain would understand. Number two that I'm going to tell you is, look, we all want XRP to beat Ethereum, to pass Bitcoin, or to become what the banks want, or that the United States says. We love XRP, basically. We all want that, right? But realistically speaking, guys, nothing happens the way we expect. Sad but true. Therefore, what I think we should be talking about is, well, do I have enough for the incoming cycle? Not worry that the price of XRP is going to be, $100. Because I'm not going to wait for XRP to be $100, guys. I'll be lying to you if I said I'm never going to sell XRP. I'll be lying if I say that. Because XRP is not going to pay my bills as far as, it's not going to just be there forever until I want it. Sometimes you do need to take profits and say, it's time for me to pay myself off first. Because if you don't do it, somebody else would do it and start selling when it's $7, $8. I wouldn't take profits at 2 or 3, granted. But when your position is already 2, 3, 5, 7x with a top 3 by market cap, that is a pretty decent position to have. But we all have all kinds of goals, Just remember, if you keep XRP in the negatives, you only lose when you sell. Richard, good to see you, buddy. Good to see you and welcome. Oscar, cheer up. This dip is nothing, 100%, Mark. Absolutely zero. Zero, nothing this is. Call me crazy, but I'm buying all in the dip. This could honestly be the last time we see it, or are under 2. Yes, I mean, if we already put 212, likeliness of going at closer to 2 are high. Right now, these are levels where people are basically trying to get a dead cat bounce, basically. Like, there's a lot of shorts that just got liquidated right now. But Oscar, we just pumped 1%. Exactly. Anything above 50x got liquidated right now. in this conversation. Anything above 50x just got liquidated. If you started right here, you now see why they do this. Why from here it doesn't stop, it doesn't continue dumping. It starts pumping. And then it will come a time when, okay, it's time. Now people are longing. And guess what they're going to do when people start longing enough? They'll start dropping the price once again. And we come down. And that's the way we rock, Hey, Birdie. Welcome to the BIP membership. Thank you so much for the kind donation. We love having you guys here, as always. Always a great time to enjoy with the community and the fam. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This might be a bear market. Now, guys, we can easily go to the 5 minutes and understand a little bit better of what just happened today. And it seems that, our friends in XRP are really not letting it go. And about 30 minutes ago, like after I started the live, right after I started the live, I was like, okay, let's see more blood. No. We saw some blood at the very beginning, but now reversal. So you're welcome. I'm just kidding. We canceled the dump for a while. Thank you, Birdie. Appreciate that a lot and welcome. And we always like to hear and bring new people in because we got a bunch of positions. We got a lot of goals and a system, right? That is going to work. It's going to work. As some of you know, I told you yesterday, like I'm getting closer to my 1 Bitcoin. We are looking good with XRP. I'm not going to have 1 million XRP. Look at the circulating supply. It's in the billions, right? But look at the price. So if I had the chance to go back in time and buy XRP when it was 20, 30 cents, I will do it, right? But now it's not the time for me because it's not $2, right? And look at what all has happened, and we're still holding the line at $2. Could have easily been under $1 or $2 if we didn't have a real community. And if this was like a fake scam or super sketchy deal project, it's over, right? But it is not. That's why right now if you take a look at this. This is 1010. So once we click 1110, so in about 30 minutes from now, you're going to see this. Look, Bitcoin liquidations. These are Bitcoin liquidations. These are not XRP. Oh, well. Look. Short. Wait. Symbol liquidation. Well, XRP, there it is. Shorts. 114,000 right now. Obviously, longs are getting demolished, right? But some of them are shorts too that are getting cut right now. The last 1 hour, here it is. There you go. Here it is. So a few are getting cut in the shorts in the last 1 hour, just with this little rejection that we had, right? Not many. Mostly are longs that are getting destroyed in the millions. Toll says right here, I don't know how anyone will hold XRP and sell for fiat currency. OG crypto guys just want to go away from the descending fiat currency to something decentralized and not controlled by governments. I'll tell you something. In order to, for a currency to work and for a currency to get adoption at that mass level, has to be appealing and popular by mainstream. I think one of the issues that we find in the crypto industry is that there's a lot to choose from. There's a lot of great players, and people are too, distracted to really understand and listen to crypto, and they just prefer what's easy. What's easy will always win. A lot of people say you don't understand XRP, or you don't get Ripple, or you just don't know about Ripple or XRP. Well, if we are obviously in the crypto industry trying to understand how this will work, and we do our best and we know, right, because we study, imagine the typical person that wants to buy something faster and retain its value more than fiat, right? They're not gonna do their due diligence to understand what XRP is. They're just not gonna go ahead and spend 2-3 hours to see how everything works in the blockchain, right? All they want is easy on ramp and utilization. They don't want to do research. They just want utility, and that's how you onboard millions and millions of people. So it's very good to have projects, right, in the payment rail system, and in crypto, facilitating billions of dollars in transactions, but just to keep it simple with the communities. And that's something that even Bitcoin is having a hard time to do, because I think it's not yet mainstream for everybody to say, hey, you want to get paid in Bitcoin? Although you could, right? You could just have your iPhone and download a wallet, create your wallet, and there you have it, right? You have a way to get some Bitcoin, but we still don't have from Chase, from Bank of America, from whichever bank, using fiat to get Bitcoin and then, or other cryptos, right? So do banks want that? You think financial institutions want eliminating their number one source of income, which is fiat, to make more fiat from us consumers? Absolutely not. Like, they will use XRP, the XRP Ledger Network, they will use blockchain technology for their end, right? I will say, this is just me talking, right? But adding, like, going to whichever bank and saying, hey, could you add an option so fiat, from fiat you can get crypto? I mean, unless they own that crypto and they can, get a kickback. But other than that, I mean, they will always win with fiat. That's where they get most of their money, because it's stable and they can add interest. Can always add interest. So it's pretty cool, how things work here. What's up, Michael? Okay, a lot are watching you for exactly what you say, what you aren't given. Financial advice. They will lose their life savings. Wow. April 2nd, more tariffs will be applied. This will drop again. Let the truth out. Well, Mike, we've been saying that for like the last 10 to 11 videos. So yes, people know by now a lot about, those tariffs, for sure. I think we're gonna get an April surprise tariffs will vanish, and then we sing gotcha. No, pump it up. Art, what's up, buddy? Happy to see you and welcome. Good to see you guys. Really nice. So just to give you a clue, fam, right now as we are starting, and we are now seeing a very, very nice rejection, right? It's like 1048 and 212. Pretty cool, going back to 7. Not bad. Actually, pretty surprising. Pretty surprising. This is one of the biggest pumps or rejections that we have seen in a while. Not bad. Not bad. I like it. Look, could be because we actually did went much lower in the 5-minute Bollinger Bands. Oh, okay. Finally, we closed The RSI, look at that. And we're now trying to pass the yellow metric right there. Interesting, right? I mean, if the price keeps going to the middle of 219, then oh my, a lot of people got liquidated shorting XRP just right now. Interesting, right? Like I told you, fam, there's BTCC for those who want to sign up. Links down below. And Bitunix. I'm already getting ready to get some positions there. Let's go to close this one. Oh, yes. Nice. XRP has been holding strong and over $2. That is freaking good. That's good. Yeah, 100%. But we'll see, you know, what it takes. Even with all this pain, guys, we'll keep you in the know as we see it. Because it's good that we came and we tried kind of help to stop the pump, but stop the dump, right? But I will say that whenever I go to bed and I wake up, all the magic has happened, right? Here in the United States, we're going to go ahead and go to sleep. But right now in all the world, still there's trading abilities and trading patterns, and it's going to get pretty feisty. That's what it is, guys. Much better to get positions now, not less risk. Yeah, right now I'm just holding the line in some positions that I have. And once that's completed, you know, we'll be getting some, because I'm waiting to add more BTC. As you know, we went to 87 and 72, so BTC hasn't gone lower. I'm gonna wait on that a little bit longer, right? It was from 85 all the way to 83, so I'm keeping an eye on all of this. You know it. Perfect. You said that, what's up, Bert? You said that you're not interested in, getting a million XRP. Now that makes me wonder how much XRP should I have, you think? 50, 60, 100. How much do you have? I mean, having a million XRP, it's a lot of money that I don't think I'm willing to put $2 million in XRP, you know. I will say that if you are willing to put $2 million into XRP, that means that you at least are worth $10 million, right? That's the way I see it. That's the way I see it. It's just putting all your eggs in one basket, in my opinion. I mean, owning $2 million of crypto in your portfolio, I love that. But I wouldn't put everything into XRP. What I will do is do a big chunk into XRP and then Bitcoin and then all the altcoins, and then, because there's a lot to choose from, man. A lot to choose from, for sure. What did Trump say to make this dump happen? We all know about April 2nd. What's up, Thailand? Good to see you guys. Welcome, welcome. New to crypto, just a few weeks so far. Made a few dollars on some coins and transferred over to XRP. Sitting on about 1K now. Have faith. Hey, Ben, welcome. Nice to have you, buddy. Welcome, welcome. Ondo. Hey, what's up, Eric? Ondo Finance. Ondo Finance made me some good money last year as I started buying it, and I still hold it. I sent it from that exchange to my wallets, and I've been holding Ondo. And I mean, guys, we're paying pennies for all diamonds basically right now. Real world assets. Ask yourself, in your life, when you wake up and before you head to bed, how many people you listen saying real world assets, blockchain, Bitcoin, crypto, NFT? Guys, nobody speaks our language. It's only us. I mean, guys, it's like a few millions in the whole United States, right? Obviously, you get out of the US and there's more people, right? But guys, things have changed in a way. It's not just Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and meme coins and Robinhood and Byte and Quick and all of that, right? It's not going to be about utility and value. Well, eventually, when we have the ability, to bring big players and for them to have ETFs and for the agencies to recognize what's a security, what's not a security, open capital formation, partnerships. That's going to be pretty cool. Because the billionaires are always looking to make more money, guys. Always. I just said this on X, just posted a couple minutes ago. Just remember, we're going to make a lot of money. Guys, what is a lot of money to you? I want to see that in the chat right now. Tell me, I don't know you, so you don't have to worry about nobody's going after you. What is a lot of money to you? What do you think? It's like that plays, that set, that the goal that you say, like, what, that to me is the money that I want to have, a lot of money. Somebody says 10 million bucks, $100,000. Alex, happy wife and kids. Love it, man. That's the definition. 800,000, 10 million. Get my losses back from last 2 years. 500,000, $1,000. We can make that happen. $1,000. 1 million. There you go. 7 digits. 1 million. Very good. 100,000. 100,000. 1 million. 20 million. Guys, a lot of us you guys, which I'm excluding the billion comments because obviously billions are just next level, right? But many of you, if I have to poll the answers, are in the million, like 1 million, 1 million, 1 million, right? A few millions or so. 1 trillion. Okay, Daniel, let me give you a country. Would that satisfy you? $1 trillion. $50. I like that one. The answer for this, guys, is that $1 million or a few $1 million are really not much, just a little bit. And that is going to be fine. And I think we're going to make it happen. It should be okay. That should be totally fine in this cycle. Like investing at these levels before, we get to that super cycle or mega bull market cycle. We'll get there. But a lot of money for the real big players and whales that are buying right now, or as I was speaking right now, that we're early and that there's going to be all these opportunities, and the United States is positioning itself to be this, juggernaut. You can go to the World Liberty Financial Wallet right now. In the World Liberty Financial Wallet, the one by Donald J. Trump, you can see they have millions of dollars into Bitcoin, into Ethereum, into all different projects. And they will keep buying more and holding more and opening new partnerships and participating in the crypto industry. Because they don't want to make $1 million, $10 million. No, guys. They're looking to make exactly the comments that I saw there. Billions and billions and billions of dollars. Yes, guys. Yes, it is. I love it. I don't mind those because personally, I'm not looking into $1 billion in crypto. No, I'm fine. That's a lot of money, man. But I'm with you guys, 100% with you for sure. I think a few meals and we are happy campers. So it's all about perspective, guys. They know that in order to maintain their status and their wealth, they cannot just be participants into this economy, into this market. They cannot be participants. They have to be players, and they have to be producers. They have to be the suppliers of whatever, system we're going to be using in the future. And that's why they're making crypto exchanges, and that's why they're making stable coins. Yep, you heard those right. Stable coins, crypto exchanges. They're making crypto security. They're building all these applications and Web3 communities and all of that. Like, that's the next level wealth in crypto. Because what you and I are doing is something called accumulation, crypto accumulation, right? Where you buy with funds that you're earning from a W-2, from your business, from your paychecks, and you're buying crypto to hold, right? Nothing wrong with that, but that is one of the slowest ways to get into crypto, or like buy crypto, or like grow your wealth, because you are kind of like funneling your fiat to crypto in one way. And you're kind of waiting for the paycheck to come in to buy crypto. And if you're not selling, if you're not trading, right, then it takes longer to accumulate one Bitcoin, two Bitcoin, or what have you, right? Obviously, if you make more money, you can buy more crypto. But the thing is, average, not every single family in the United States, I'm just speaking the United States, but it's hard for them to buy a Bitcoin. Like, you're going to go with a family that wants to buy a new truck, a new house, and you're going to tell them, how about if you buy an $85,000, $90,000 asset that you cannot see, you cannot touch, but it will be just sitting down right there, and in a few years down the road, it will be way higher, and they'll be like, what? No, I want a house, right? I want a truck. I want this. I want that. I want to spend. I want to use the money instead of park it somewhere there. So not many people have that mindset. I do, and I know you guys do too. But you see, that's the trade-off. That to those who have the mindset to put aside fiat, buy crypto, believe what our ancestors, right? Those people that that are the legends that we follow and that we trust, the builders of major blockchains right now. They are the ones who believed at the very beginning of the crypto experience. And when it's time, fam, you and I, we're going to be getting, we'll get there for the next generation to come. And that'll be awesome. Awesome, everybody. So I kind of felt inspired today to tell you this. I've been sharing that anecdote, or that, that story for a while, but it just makes sense still till this day. How sooner or later in the next in the incoming bull market, when things actually get mega crazy, you and I will be the rich guys, and we'll have to start again, but with way more knowledge and way more time to educate the new investors who are going to be coming, saying, wait a second, I just bought Bitcoin at $175,000, and you're telling me that it's not going to go up? And we're going to start the cycle once again, once they find out that now it's heading to $80,000. That's what it is, fam. So makes total sense, We waited mega years so Bitcoin passes or gets closer to 200. Once it's there, we'll enjoy that. Everybody will jump in. People will be selling their homes to buy one Bitcoin. Listen what I say right now. People, some, not all, but some will say, let's just sell our house and buy 2 Bitcoins. Imagine, fam. Oh, I already see it. I already see people saying, What? I don't need a house. I can just rent. And let me buy a Bitcoin because it's going to 1,000,000. I already see it. They're not going to buy houses sometimes. They're going to buy Bitcoins and they're going to hold till 1,000,000. So imagine the people who are buying under $90,000. So crazy stuff, right? And to top it off, what I'm saying, if Bitcoin will probably do that, now tell me what XRP will do. Oof. Welcome to the XRP Live with Oscar Ramos, where if Bitcoin goes up, XRP goes much higher. Guys, that's the reason why any dip, major significant dip when it comes to XRP, I buy it, man. Because the future is for us. It's going to be fine. We're going to make a lot of money. And I thank you guys for coming and stopping by in this chat. Oh, let's go. That was fun. That was really fun, honestly, guys. Our ancestors bought crypto too. Yeah, it's true, guys. That's why I want to do it. That is why I want to do it. 100%. Well, fam, will XRP go under $2 by Monday? And you guys said with 66%, yes, with 2,000 votes. So right now, we got a nice rejection from 212 to 218. We'll see what happens later today, right? But big thanks to everybody coming here. Before you leave, smash the like button, guys. Links down below and also in the top of the chat for you guys to sign up and start getting some pretty cool bonuses. Big hug to everybody. Let's enjoy the weekend and let's see what it brings to you. Check the latest videos that we have for you guys for more, I will say, knowledge as far as what's ahead, our thoughts and ideas for what's to prepare. But let's, be patient. And at the end of the day, we'll be fine as long as you huddle and don't sell at a loss. Catch you next time, fam. Thanks for watching. Peace. Let's go. Send it.